Pretty awesome after all these years of watching this place on YouTube. I'm finally here. Oh yeah, they got bears here. I was actually just watching the video last night on this place, and this is actually a bear sanctuary. Rescued bears. Wow. There's one up there laying down. There's another one. You might be able to see that one moving. And you got the classic do not feed the bears. Look at that. These are small bears though. Oh, I think each bear's got a name too.
Noi?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not my bear.
Oh, it says this one's name is Noi. I'm the one with a big squarish nose and spiky hair on the top of my head. Noi is Lao for small, which is how I was when I first arrived due to neglect and starvation. Now I'm one of the bigger bears, and I like to get my own way, so I can be a bit bossy at times. There's a bear right here, walking around. Aw. He's just pacing, wishing he could be free, I bet. Oh, this bear's right here pacing. It's a little one. These would be the equivalent to the black bears back home in Michigan, but I think the black bears are even bigger than this.
Feed them.
Yeah. Oh wow, we're here. I already hear the water. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. The famous Kuang waterfalls. So I heard that it's so crystal clear blue because the rock that the water flows over is like a certain mineral that just keeps it like, it's like an aqua color. It's amazing. Oh, fish? Yeah. Nice. See, I should have had my sandals on. Wow, amazing. So they said it's actually really busy today, obviously, because it's a Saturday, but I gotta be careful because this mud is like super slippery. There's a lot of people swimming in it.
Like a pool.
Yeah. Wow. It's amazing.
They just swim over there.
Yeah. See, they used to have a big rope swing, like where that girl's sitting. They used to have one that used to fly out there and do that, but they probably got rid of it.
Cool.
Definitely beautiful. Guys, I'm speechless at the moment. I've watched so many videos on this place and seen so many pictures. It's kind of like that surreal moment when you finally get there and you can't believe it, you know. You're talking like 8,000 miles away from home. I mean, that's a long ways. Finally here. Get to check another destination off the bucket list. And keep on going. Wow.
Lots of fish.
Yeah. Gotta be careful not to trip because the banks are like super slick. Well, I'm sure the GoPro's picking that up, a bunch of fish. So, and actually a lot of videos you see, I don't know where it is, but somewhere in here you can actually sit down, put your feet in the water, and these fish are like the ones that they have at the spas and everything, that they come up and they eat the dead skin off your feet, they clean your feet up. These are the ones. So I'm sure somewhere along here we'll see people doing that. Actually, I thought this was across this little bridge. I thought this was only a couple layers, like 4 layers, but we actually still got quite a ways to go. There's the trail going all the way up in there. Wow.
I could pick my
Oh my gosh.
Everybody swimming.
That is perfect.
It's like a pond. It's
Yeah.
like a pool. I mean, just a rock.
Some of the most crystal clear water you'll ever see too. Wow, that's nice. Look at this view. Just when I think we're at the top, I guess this goes way up the mountain or what?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we're gonna hike all the way, obviously. There's way more to this than what I thought. And that's what absolute beauty looks like, folks. Yeah, oh yeah. Funny because when we went to the resort, when we were in the other city, we had to take a pretty treacherous mountain road, and obviously this is up in the mountains, so it was about a 40-45 minute drive, but we were in a lot smaller of a car and the road wasn't quite as bad. It was more narrow and our driver is like flying, but it still wasn't as bad as the road that we took to the resort the other day. So amazing. Wow. Well, there you have it. Oh, that is awesome. Oh my gosh. You know, all the videos I seen on YouTube and stuff, I mean, I seen the stuff that we just came from, some of the lower stuff, but they don't show none of this. They didn't show that great big waterfall either. I never seen that. That is amazing. Okay, so I guess I really didn't realize how big this waterfall was going to be, but it's like goes way all the way up there. So, and I see a bunch of people, there's a trail going up in. I don't know how high it goes, but I'm interested. See if I can talk the guides into either going with us or waiting, because I definitely don't want to be all the way here and not do it. I'm sure it's some amazing pictures up there. Alright, so anyways, now I get in the picture. We're about ready to go up this stairway that goes all the way to the top of the waterfall that I just showed you on video, and this one's way bigger than the waterfall we were at the resort, isn't it?
Yep.
So I don't know. It's really steep, and it's basically straight up the mountain, so we'll see how good everybody does. Right there, the sign says pathway up, be careful, steep and slippery. They also got it in written in Lao and Chinese. Nolly, what kind of fruit is that?
I don't know.
Stand next to this tree,
like a
and there's
fruit, pretty much.
There's a fruit sitting there hanging off it. All right, here we go. This is a start. We'll see how long Nolly lasts before she starts complaining. My guess is under 5 minutes, because these steps are steep. Glad I have my shoes on today, though. Oh, wow. You can do it. Yeah. We're not at the same elevation we were the other day, though. I think they definitely should have got some water, though. Okay. I said 5 minutes. That was more about like 3. I'm sure the camera's not doing this no justice. This thing is steep. Yeah. Yeah, this is no joke. Oh, this is cool. This pathway right here is cut out through a bunch of bamboo trees right here on the side. All right, current situation. Sure, the GoPro don't pick that up, but we're on a straight up ascent, and everybody's already complaining. We're not even a quarter of the way up, but I didn't travel 8,000 miles to give up. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. All these vines hanging, mixed in with bamboo, and absolutely gorgeous. I wish my friends from back home, well, not that I have any friends, but the couple that I do, I wish they could be here with me. Specifically Eric, because he likes to work out. Well, just because we used to work out together, and he likes to do all this type of stuff. He would,
Hiking?
oh yeah, well, just anything physical in general. He would absolutely be loving this.
I can get in the water.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this overlook. Did you go all the way up?
Sorry?
Did you go all the way up?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Oh.
That's where we just were on that little bridge.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody's dying.
See you up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Water?
So this guy with the shorts on, he actually got off the plane this morning with us in not Luang Prabang.
I remember that.
So he literally jumped off the airplane, came here just like us. So it's kind of cool. And actually a chick that was on our same airplane on our way back from Luang Namta, which was like a day, 2 days ago technically, we seen her here too. So it's a bunch of people just like us, you know, just touring around Southeast Asia, baby. 2019, hey, conserve that.
Yeah.
Alright, anyways, we're gonna keep climbing. Holy moly. Here's a switchback going straight up, and actually there was stairs right behind us, but the waterfall's kind of overtaking the stairs, so I guess lots of people go this way just because we're in regular tennis shoes, and you don't want to get your feet all soaking wet.
That's it. I'm thinking
Okay, so that's what we just climbed up. The camera is just no good here because that is straight up a wall. But we had to come up that way because, like I just said, there's stairs on the other side, but the waterfall's kind of overtaking them. Oh, I guess he's challenging me to go this way. Yeah, just to the left of us, there's actual stairs, but we're gonna go up this way. There he is. And the girls came up the actual path. I don't even really have enough breath to laugh at her.
Holy cow. I'm dying.
Alright guys, so we made it. This is the top. Pretty breathtaking for sure. I don't know if you can see all the, I'm sure you can see all the sweat on me. it's I don't know, I think it was 82, 83 here today, which isn't bad for being in Laos, but oh yeah, this is the top. Yeah. We're here. Oh wow. Yeah. This is what you travel the world for, if you can, to see stuff like this. So this is literally where the waterfall starts. So that video I had a few minutes ago with us all the way at the bottom, this is the top. This is just amazing. Well worth it. I'm glad I talked these guys to hiking all the way up here, because I'm being honest, like, it was not easy. If you took the stairs, they were almost straight up, but me and Lynn's husband, I was following him, and he was kind of going on the footpath beside all the stairs, and it was hardcore, but that's what I like. That's why I follow them. So yeah, everything out here is set up for the tourists. You know, you got your little bamboo basket garbage cans, you got a bunch of picnic tables and stuff like that. If you want to buy stuff at the bottom, like food and drink and whatever, you can bring it up here and have a picnic. And huh? Yeah.
Wow. It's not a lot of water.
No, not up here.
It's a pond.
I'm glad we came, because
I've never been up here.
last time I came to Laos, we never even made it to this city, so that was kind of one of my musts. As far as I told Nolly before, when we were planning this, we've been planning this trip for a year, but we were kind of kicking around what we want to do, not do, where to go. And one of the things on my list, actually number one on my list, was Luang Prabang, and number one was for the street food and the morning market and the night market that I watched so much about on YouTube, and then the other part of it was the waterfall too. So absolutely unbelievable that I finally made it. Oh, and of course, when this guy gets off, I'm going to take this little footbridge. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. If you ever swim trunks, just get in the rope swing and chill out. Especially after climbing that whole staircase or path up, you know. Shoot, that'll feel good. I do have my swimsuit with me, but I don't think we're gonna go for a swim right now anyways. Wow, that's pretty sweet. Okay, hold on. Oh, so actually this is the top. The video I was taking from the bottom, this is it right here. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Trying to film but also watch my step too, so I don't take a swim in my regular clothes. Look at that. Let me get over here a little bit more. Look at that. Just awesome. I got some really cool video over there right by the, that's where it actually starts. Go on that little bamboo bridge. I don't know if you guys can see back there because of the glare, but let me try to get out of the glare. Way back in there, they got people on kayaks, so somewhere up this river you can actually kayak into here too. That's pretty cool because the way they got it sectioned off, there's no way you're gonna go over the falls. See what I mean? Nolly, walk across it. See that though? Look, like that's where it actually starts, right there. I got some cool pictures and stuff of it. Okay, now the descent. Now we're going down. And it's funny how people always think that this is the easier part going down, but actually that's the more dangerous part, because your feet, especially on this is like a, I don't know, like a hard packed dirt, but it gets walked on so much every day that it's like almost slippery in spots, so your feet can come out from under you real easy. Eh? Go. Well, it doesn't help that we're wearing the absolute worst footwear you could wear for this crap.
Babe,
We're using
be careful.
these shoes are,
Be careful.
I know,
You go first.
go.
I don't want you to fall on me.
No, the shoes I got are like they're Nike running shoes, which you couldn't get any worse of a shoe than these. Hey, I'll get down faster. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna stop filming before I film my own fall.